AMLA Law, or Anti-Money Laundering Law. Describe covert transaction. Money laundering is committed by any person who knowingly that any monetary instrument or property represents or involves or relates to the proceeds of any unlawful activity. Yun lang. Unlawful activity. Galing sa unlawful activity yung pera na i-deposit sa bank para hindi ma-trace, para ma-clean, kaya nga laundering, para ma-clean yung mga pera. So, anyone who transacts, converts, transfer, dispose, or moves, conceals, or disguises through nature, dispose, movement, attempts, conspires to commit money laundering, aids, abets, assists, performs, fails to perform any act, any covered person will know the suspicious is required to be reported under AMLA Law. So, ano ba mga transactions usually? Transaction exceeding 500,000 and kapag ng jewelries, metals, ganon, exceeding 1 million. Next, describe suspicious transactions. Ano nga ba ang mga suspicious transaction? First, yung client not properly identified. Second, underlying legal or trade obligation, purpose of economic justification, no underlying obligation. Wala. Tapos, yung amount not commensurate with business or financial capacity. Diyos ko, buko vendor, nag-deposit ang 1 million. No, ganun ba? Client's transaction is structured in order to avoid AMLA, deviate from the profile, unlawful activity about to commit or has been analogous to them to foregoing. Yeah. So, enumerate reportorial requirement. Okay. Yung mga records, dapat ma-maintain sila for 5 years. Okay? Hindi dapat dispose ng 5 years. So, covered person shall report within 5 working days unless AMLC or the council prescribes different period not exceeding 15 days from occurrence. So, 5 to 15 working days from occurrence. So, anong meaning ng occurrence? Date of determination of the suspicious nature of the transaction, which determination shall not exceed 10 days from the date of transaction. Okay? So, occurrence dapat within 10 days after the transaction, dapat ma-occur na malaman na, ito suspicious to. Tapos, pagkatapos malaman na suspicious to, 5 to 15 days. So, anong gagawin? Kailangan i-freeze yung mga related accounts. Hindi lang yung related accounts then. With the Court of Appeal, then Court of Appeal have 24 hours to resolve petition. So, yung freeze order, 6 months yung validity. Okay? Shall not exceed 6 months. Pero pwedeng i-extend ng AMC if gusto nila, if final nila na mayos. Siyempre, the bank or covered institution should not notify the customers. Sige, notify mo yung customers, malalaman nila nag-report ka.